Good, what's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. Hey guys, I really want to shoot this video today because I wanted to talk about ways that you can make money online, and a lot of people, pretty much, they really don't know where to start as far as what to do when it comes to being online or making money online. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to actually make a video and kind of just, give you an illustration as far as how we pretty much set up our systems, our sales funnels, and things like that. So that's why you might see up here the blueprint to making money online, and I kind of got a sales funnel. So I wanted to outline that, guys, and pretty much talk about some of the ways that you can make money online and 3 of the top ways that you can definitely do it. Okay, whenever you come online, there's always the money making niches and pretty much things that you can do online. Now there's 3 top ones that you can actually be a part of, which is relationship, health and wellness, or the make money online. So the relationships are the ones that get your ex back. How to talk to the 10 tips of getting a girl, or man, or something like that. Those are your relationship niches. Or the health and wellness, you're gonna get your drinks, your things as far as your makeups. Those are more like health wellness products, things like that. To your skin, those are going to be the things. But my thing here that I like to utilize is the make money online niche. That's my space that I'm in. So that's pretty much the space that I chose and that we're going to talk about today as far as to make money online. Okay, now the first things first that you're going to need is going to be a capture page. A capture page, what it does, it allows you pretty much to get your potential new customer's name, their number, and their email. Now what this does, before they're able to go to the next page or to move forward, they have to enter in that information. Normally what it does is it weeds out all of the tire kickers. People that normally won't go through a video or anything like that. Pretty much, you want to send them through the system. Now right here at the bottom where it says AR follow-up activated, what that means is an autoresponder also that's associated with that. So what that autoresponder does from there is it'll start sending out messages. It may even send out a thank you message. It may send out, just different things where it's going to do to follow up with your leads, build a relationship with them, for them to pretty much entice them to join. Some people may have a 7-day follow-up. Some people may have a 14-day, a 21-day, 30-day, where they just have messages that send out every day. Also, with message follow-up series with accounts with autoresponders, you're able to send out broadcast messages. So if you have something that you've done throughout the day or so like that you want to get out to your list, you can pretty much send out a broadcast message. That way everybody's getting your message for the day. Okay, now before they even go there, after they do that, there's going to be a bridge page. So a bridge page usually is like a self-intro or some type of thank you, where it's you actually explaining who you are. I like to say your who, what, whens, wheres, and hows of who you are, pretty much, and explaining, just kind of a brief overview, who you are, what you've done. If you have made money in the company, you can showcase your proof. If you do have bonuses and different things that you want to actually offer or give them, those are things that you can actually do as well in the actual video on the bridge page. So once they view the bridge page is going to take them actually to the video sales letter. The video sales letter is the actual video where it actually does the presentation of the company. So the company is where it actually pretty much where they explain everything as far as the selling and telling for you, what all they do. Pretty much, if there's going to be commission, how the commissions are paid out, other reps that are making money in the company. That's where you're going to pretty much get everything on the video. And then from there is the checkout. Okay guys, got the little ones in here, but pretty much here from there is going to be the sign up and the checkout. Okay, the sign up and the checkout, what that allows you to do pretty much there is sign up for the program. So if you have a marketing system, or if you have a program that they're signing up for, or a product, that's when they're going to pretty much be able to sign up. Usually what I have in place is going to be where you can sign up for the company and get you a marketing system. So everything that pretty much does all this, pretty much I already have everything laid out for you. Now I may have already done for yous, or I may have some where you pretty much time together and you have to brand yourself. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you some done for yous, and I'm also going to show you one that something that I have created myself here. Now what you're seeing over here is like traffic where it says Facebook group, Facebook Live, things like that. We're going to talk about that at the end, which we're going to come back to this, where these are traffic methods where you can actually post in Facebook group. You can go Facebook Live. You can make wide YouTube videos. You can actually post on Craigslist, Instagram, Twitter, a lot of anything social media wise pretty much are classified ads. And then there's the paid traffic, whereas Facebook ads is really going to be social media ads because they're going to cover Twitter, Instagram, pretty much is going to cover all of the LinkedIn, anything social media that you can actually pay for ads on, where you might have a $5 or a $10 a day budget or higher. You can pretty much do that with those type of companies. From there, there's going to be clicks and leads, where those were guys where you're just kind of paying people to send traffic to your capture page. Okay, so first things first here, I want to go into a capture page here that I've actually made for one of my programs here that I'm utilizing to make money with. Okay, and this company is called actually Easy One Up. Okay, that's one of my money making programs here, and I'm gonna go over a second one too. Easy One Up, pretty much it's for the little guy and the big guy. All right, so we're gonna pretty much utilize this company here for. So we're gonna go in here. So I'm gonna say this is a capture page here. So this is what I spoke of first. Okay, it's a call to action, pretty much. It's kind of saying, giving you a nice enticement. And this is one that I made with a system. So this is not a done for you one. I mean, it's a done for you system that I've created, but it's not, something that's free sign up. So it's also a secondary source of income stream that allows you to brand yourself. Okay, so this is an outside third party system that I use. So once the person enters in their information here, as far as their name, their last name, email, and their phone number, they're taken to a bridge page. See, the bridge page here is where I'm actually explaining the company, breaking down the success that I've had in the company, showing my commissions that I have made. So you guys, if you're looking for an additional way to make money from home or make money online, you guys definitely want to take. So see, I just put like some quick information up there showing exactly what I'm doing, and then once you say click here to learn more, that's when it's going to take you to the video sales letter. So if we go back here, and I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna wait for this to come up here. So if we go back here, you see capture page, bridge page, video sales letter. This is the video sales letter where it explains the whole company. It's 21 minutes, explaining the commissions that you can make. And then it's going to say you can access the marketing system. So everything that you're pretty much seeing right now, you can actually go here and get the system. Or you can go here and join the company. Now, just to kind of go over some of the things that the company has here, let me kind of go in here. Just kind of type in Easy One Up. Okay, so let's just say the products here. So this is an educational platform that's actually teaching you. If you're watching this video, chances are you're teaching you how to make money online. Okay, so that's why I say it's for the little guy and the big guy. So these are one of my programs that I definitely utilize to make money online. It's a one-time payment, guys, and pretty much it's giving me training as far as how to go and do this. So that way it doesn't interfere with any company that I'm marketing or promoting out there. It's just education. And each level pretty much that you come in at, you're actually a qualified member where you can actually become an affiliate and go out and sell and tell this product to other members. So that way, you're getting a commission also. So there's a $25 level. There's a $100 level, and these are all trainings, guys. These are all video trainings that's showing you guys how to pretty much make money online as well. But these are in-depth trainings as far as what we're doing. So I'm just kind of giving you a quicker overview as far as sales funnels and a way that you can get going right away. So $250. And this is a one-time payment, so it's not a monthly payment, guys, where you're paying this. These are all trainings. And the cool thing about this company is that if you come in at this level, you're qualified for all the rest of the levels. So no, you don't have to pay for each level. The higher level that you come in at qualifies you for all the bottom levels as well. So just to kind of show you guys this, so look at this. Email marketing. So pretty much Facebook ads, Tumblr training, traffic exchanges, video sales funnels. This is what we're talking about right now. Zero cost traffic. Everything that I was just now speaking of, guys, as far as a lot of this goes, I've actually learned from these companies here. So let's go on down, and this is the last level that they have here, is the 2000 level. Now if you come in at any of these higher levels, again, you're going to be qualified for all the lower levels. So if the 500 is all you can do, that's cool. If it's the 250, that's all you can do, that's cool. If it's 100, that's all you can do, it's cool. Okay, so that's one of the programs that I definitely utilize to promote this, but this is how I utilize this sales letter. So what I do, I'll take a lot of these traffic metrics over here. So if it's paid, if it's clicks, leads, or if I'm doing print magazine or anything like that, I'm going to pretty much direct everybody to this capture page. Everybody goes here, regardless of if someone asks me for information on Facebook, I'm going to send them to this capture page, and this capture page is going to start the whole series of what we just went over. So once they're on my email and things like that, that's going to be another video. So I'm going to talk about email marketing later, but I want to actually show you guys a visual of a sales funnel of how to pretty much start making money online. Now the thing from there is just choosing and picking your company. So again, that's my educational platform system that I am using here, which is Easy One Up. Okay, I'm going to have a link at the bottom where you can definitely sign up for that and utilize that. Now the system that I'm using to do this is called the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros is a marketing system and a tool suite pretty much that is designed to do all of the selling and telling for you, and also has a lead magnet source in the back office. Now this company is newbie friendly here. I'm going to always say if you haven't made any money online, you definitely want to utilize the Conversion Pros for your marketing system because of all the training that they have, as far as all the basic training, as far as regular online marketing training and offline marketing training. They have a full system training. One thing about their pages as well, they have drag and drop features. So now they just integrated where you can actually drag and drop. It's a wonderful thing that you can definitely do. Another thing here, so let me go over the webinars and the actual training that you're going to get as well. So this is just basic training. So showing the same system that I just showed you guys, I've utilized this here system with it. Okay. So this is a lot of the marketing that you're going to get when you're with this company. These are a lot of the tools that you're going to get. So the landing page builder is what I created these pages with. So these pages that you do see were created with the Conversion Pros. And if you decide to join me or partner with me in Easy One Up, pretty much I'm going to give you the same codes where you can copy the page and pretty much tie everything directly to you. I also have a message follow-up series as well that I'm going to be able to give to you guys, where you guys can actually go in and do message follow-up series where you can tie that in and do like a 7 or a 10, I forget how many days I have. It's about 14 days that I do have on that follow-up series that you guys can use and pretty much follow with your leads, link rotators, things like that. Now one thing that I definitely love about this company, again guys, you can go in and purchase leads from here, and what you do is when your leads are pretty much sent to you, you can go through all the training as far as how the leads are sent, watch before you order leads, what to do with the leads. We pretty much have all the training, and you can reach out to these people and you can talk to them and send them information about your business. See generic leads, interviewed leads, male only, female leads only. The only thing you need to do is reach out. You're going to get their name, their number, and then pretty much, once they say, hey, send me the information, only thing you need to do is send them. I wouldn't send them the capture page then because they're already on your list. So that's when you just want to send them the sales page. So the sales page is where pretty much this, you just want to keep emailing them this page. So this is the sales page here. So once they're already in your email list, this is all they need. They don't need to go through your email and get opted in again because you've already done that. You want to keep sending them through your list, and then that way it entices them to sell. These videos, or let's go back, or your bridge page. So let's say if I wanted to take this same exact video that I'm shooting right now, I can replace it with this video, and then they can click here and sign up. So this video does not have to stay the same. I can rename this and say email video. And I'm going to be able to email this to my leads, and they're going to be able pretty much to sign up or build that relationship. That's why I say videos are better, because you're building a relationship at the end of the day with your leads and your potential customers, where they're starting to build and trust you. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys. I'm gonna go in and do a part 2 to this here and just kind of show you guys the other program as well that you can utilize the same exact funnel for. I'm utilizing here where I only get about 15 minutes, so I got to break them up here. I haven't paid for this particular system that I'm using to record this video on as far as my screen share goes. So I'm gonna wrap this one up here as one of the programs, and then we're gonna go into program number 2 that you can definitely look into, well, video number 2, and we're gonna do that one about my secondary program, my main program that's going to pretty much teach you financial literacy and pretty much allow you to just make money on autopilot, residual income. One of the best programs out. So we're going to talk about that as well. So definitely, guys, look forward to seeing you on the next video. This is your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.